Until we are back on the LGBTQ plus bill now, the Koto Ghana Parliament, there was a finally. And this is for an asmago, Edia Kura, Yen school must say, and Koran and Concosia. I'm a media as a Pasca. Ghana for no able margin ever home. I hate Penyah broke me. The mess was any demo. Over like a video, no doubt, put a scrap and some back like verification and conflict update. Now, the wild and their mamma ever comments, expense of us. Not for Spanish Biashwe. So it was in 2023, and out of nowhere, Sam Nate George. Okofa bibi ko Ghana Parliament and your friend anti-LGBTQ plus bill. I say, a bill I was saying, ma kwan nanka or mine no, see a chiso be dinu tunum, or be a gay, or be a lesbian. You bet me prosecute you bet me Jinam Brown, so do want to Jina Emrano and Nim, let's Emran and Umadi, Emma Sam George, at the side deal with echo to Ghana Parliament and Nim, a good father led government, or got 2 minutes or more ensign. Emma, you know how na Sam George, as young who did the Ghana is not a yan pay, yan class in the economy. Na LGBTQ here Sam George as an economy. Na me who Sam George na no here mesere. Say na me who Sam George ye dede. E wo LGBTQ plus be no na eye mesere. You know say in 2015 na NDC na tia konya so from 2012 to Mahama reign no. Na o na tia konya so enti 2014 ana Mahama I appointed Sam George as communication specialist at the office of the president. That's Yebeka. And then NKA presidential staffer for communication. Felix Ofosiko Achajumana Oil and Neno. Na Sam George and Ayer from 2014 to 2016. It's not on the Kasama president, you know. One president, the Kasama for. Sam George, I got now one of the TV stations, am I an interview? Na hono that time, 2015. Na LGBTQ plus no. Na abeye topic for discussion. Na sorry pa trumu na Ghana na sorry. Gay lesbians na so the pana e theater se Ghana ha no mo e ma na ho be ya se nka o man ye nya mra bi entia Sam George na o kasama president Mahama that time o hwenyame animu a wo claim se wo ya so le panyini esa claim se Mahama ya so le panyini e don dey onzo tumu so Sam George was able to tell us say the Ghana we are in no your constitution e mo bia right to do everything. Mo bia right as a constitution mo bia to me said or pay bia onye and was that cases who pay say identical na was you wasted time discussing gay and lesbianism abra you bet ma discuss something important, something that deals with the economy. Sam George and the kind dancing way
speak about this matter.
I hope myself too.
I believe that this matter has been overflogged and it is being pushed just to suit a certain parochial political agenda. See, irrespective of my personal opinions on homosexuals, the constitution of this country remains supreme.
More pause, please.
The constitution remains supreme. And the constitution of this country enjoins that everybody has rights and that their rights are protected. It's actually one of the preambles to the Constitution of the Republic of Ghana. The International Declaration of the Rights of Persons and all of that, you know. And so the point is, the Constitution determines that every human being should have rights.
Okay.
It doesn't go ahead to break down if the human beings should be straight or gay.
That is for the country to determine, individual countries.
Yes, that is for individual countries to determine. Look, Ali, I believe that the amount of time we have, and this challenge to the Ghanaian media, I think the media is the fourth estate of the realm.
Of course.
And they have a duty of entertaining and educating people at the same time. Okay. Edutainment, they call it. We must pick issues which are of necessity to the Ghanaian people. The amount of airtime we have wasted, I call it wasted, not spent. Talking about gays. When we have pertinent issues of water, pertinent issues of power, we have potential petrol prices going up. Look, those are the things which bother the Ali or what?
Everybody, the truck pusher, the shoe shine boy, Kaya.
Akwele who sells Kelewele, or is it Enyonam Ali or what?
Everybody, the truck pusher, the shoe shine boy, Kaya.
Akwele who sells Kelewele, or is it Enyonam who is doing anybody?
Bush Canteen.
Look, those are the issues. They don't care whether the president's friend who published his book is gay. No. They want to have potable drinking water. They want to have electricity when they turn on the switches. Or is it Enyonam who is doing anybody?
Bush canteen.
Bush canteen. Look, those are the issues.
Beans.
They don't care whether the president's friend who published his book is gay. No. They want to have potable drinking water. They want to have electricity when they turn on the switches in their homes. These are the things we must be discussing. How, as a country, we can have consensus and move forward and solve this problem.
In 2015, Ogase Nyansen Bianim, say be waste time. Say you could discuss LGBTQ. You could discuss the gay lesbianism. Abra you bet to discuss something that will bring productivity into the economy. You bet to discuss the economy, how to, mobilize resources to push this economy. Sam George and the cancer we are solid penny who yamianimu cancer we. I say who here na Ghana no kurano. Ye mra bata na chiro man we no. E ma obia ankrankro bia e kwan to me to join whatever association the person wants. In 2015, now out of nowhere, Sam George went on the cancer in 2015 no. Out of nowhere 2023 or no na be ye the brain behind it. Kokotaku Lufthansa wa yiri kuntan as will be two or be paye ni kuntan Sam George na ade ni ase Ekufa don sign LGBTQ and I'm not going for kanokre en go for kanokre and is for kanokre omo kanokre de omo nim how to omo nim nyansa se de si de nyansa beat Ghana for komo just say Ghana for agimi e da bi omo nyansa beat Ghana for no then they can see through them omo kanokre. None of them. Oh, bia no kanokre and tronko and tronko. Umiana, you manum of mombo a high as a high buffalo. As a high buffalo bia. I feel as your bonus sword near free so much as for another woman. A controversy is banner on the echo. Umanum conquer. That is for the day. Sad is for the day. I was saying how I sound George see carry himself with this issue of LGBTQ plus bill. Emma Mahama Asia so for no because that no what if opposition party or pe kwan bia so areni akunya Asia so for no e the campaign na or the bia Akufo-Addo sum Akufo-Addo sign bill no and Mahama or no Akufo-Addo sign oba sign because the next wom no assumptions of God omun permit just say on can say bebrebe Shegana for no so for no Emma so for nyina agi tuma na so for nyina eye campaign Emma Mahama. Yeah, talk about Mahama Irene, you know, Queen's man that's Mahama. There's been a twist in his statement or granting interview or BBC. I don't know. There was a twist in his statement. Emma no crano. Someone now take George, every man warning say Mahama will know no peace until he signs that bill.
President Mahama has been clear that he will sign that bill and he has no option than to sign that bill. President Mahama will know no peace from Sam George until he signs that bill. And he himself has said that to the clergy, that as a Christian, as a member of the Assemblies of God Church, he will sign that bill.
But not just political talk. Eyankeka hunu kwa hwinsi. Na yankeka hunu kwa oye dede kwa. Eyankeka hunu, na yankeka hunu. Na buzia out of nowhere. Mahama asa be kase abiem se be on the crown instead of say be sign crown ka yenyai na yemfa nkyerɛkyerɛ wo fie aso dem any school mu family values.
The proper human sexuality and it's quite a long name. Proper family values bill. But I do think that we should have a conversation on it again so that all of us, if we decide to move that bill forward, move it forward with a consensus. And probably it shouldn't be a private member's bill. It probably should be a government bill with government behind it after consultation with all the stakeholders to see how we're able to move this forward. But it leads us back to the discussion we had that if we're teaching our values in school, we won't need to pass a bill to enforce, our family values. And that's why I think more than even the family values bill is us agreeing on a curriculum that inculcates these values into our children as they are growing up, so that we don't need to legislate it.
Young fan church in school, Munaka, yeah, the church in school, ma. And I can who has a best sound bill, be a bear, be a Hama Eka, that's him at that time. I'm gonna focus, says the word, any deal. Sign bill, no, any pet sign. You say best in school, but all the sign my Moka Sembes, all the sign my. But 1 year down the lane, I bet Kemako. I was here, bill no, as an interesting Sam George Eja was a moka. Sam George okofa bae no yehu yenka wo ne hia wa okofa bae o party near office anka fa pressure corner si wo mo so no mo nsan wo ya ho asem ka ene se wo se no atia na ba say o mo asmago say na Mahama e ka sen ka yem fan church in school mo no o ma asmago e da ko wura curriculum ni mu te ye mo fla no SS4 no e for o mo nsua ni school mo ene na community say wo sia abe da dwa on the internet na we ene nsem a Ghana for e ka kire Mahama
Ibu Mahama Assemblies of God ni o hwede muso we aba obabem tumu na empariko sewo hey Ibu Mahama LGBTQ plus we are too for awuntie tumu ya.
I was for breaking news. A gay homosexuality and LGBTQ I know afraid the John Mahama ban no agietu. I was for Reverend Tim Forjo, member of Parliament for Ascent South. And I didn't crata about one thing, sir, and crata Ghana bino a printed a day comma a Ghana secondary school. Now, crata no, you are quite friend of teachers manual. And no, a crata teacher for her so the chain cranadi. Sir, crata no muna, Joe Mahama bino as teacher for non and quatre Ghana. Momano say, Yawo abofra. Na otu dua enye na kyese wo ye bema na mum nipa no nyini na ofile se oyoba yenyi ntum se oyoba mote ne mekan no se oba bema bafi from secondary school Mahama se yenko kyere no say even though otu dua de but se ofile inside se oyoba ani yenyi ntum se oyoba na bema fofo betimi nada ye kwa akokyere wo ma ade sine he asofo man sorry at Mahama or the same man. Let me read from one document. Document and Naka Edia Babontin Ghana buying through the Ministry of Education. Adietum Yede Babechremo Madden T or say gender identity. It refers to a person's deeply felt internal experiences of gender, which may or may not correspond with the sex assigned at birth. T or say. Yeah, no. Even though say you've been assigned, either say your bar, you call your own assembly, you will you may be a woman who I chess your bar, and you won't know a bema, you may who I chess your bema. Now, so your mamma binds the end, coach them on most second to say Debbie. And yet, and yes, said be dear with you and my bema. And I said, and yet bar, I won't know your bar. Now, so say, Union, no, ufili say, even though to a bar your bar. Bema for betting me what that, if you say what dear to say or your bar. For and to Obama fee secondary school buffy. No, be catch yourself in or your bar. And Yama job Hama buying saying coach Mama it was secondary school. This information is contained in teacher's manual. You can teacher's manual, teacher for the moon man crow. Crata teacher for the teacher school for a day. And none of your true woman say teacher from qua or moon coach man say. And yes, Sabi, do ya mutia and a mom with bema. Never say Nippani a bema no of Felisa or your bar, yen tumsa or your bar. Bible so cratches say ye were bar any bearman come. Now you were near my wall while you bearman and the more your bar. I didn't know John Mahama buying over try say, oh, ye bearman are faded ut because of feeling to your bar. My catchum of John Mahama is an antichrist. My catchum say Mahama the case ebe bagana so. I saw for man sorry, na man for man sorry, or man or bono. That must say.
But it leads us back to the discussion we had, that if we're teaching our values in school, we will need to pass a bill to enforce, our family values. And that's why I think more than even the family values bill is us agreeing on a curriculum that inculcates these values into our children as they're growing up, so that we don't need to legislate it. And so we'll see how all this goes.
Yeah, a quick one. You have heard him. So this is the new curriculum up here. Let's pay attention and look at the new curriculum. Whether it is promoting LGBTQ or it is promoting Ghanaians, our values. Yes, the interview or the video you just watched, that is President Mahama. What he told Catholic Bishop Conference, the Christian community, what he told them. He said he was going to introduce a curriculum, which is what is up here. So that we teach the children that there's no even need. These are our values. We don't like LGBTQ. That one is better than passing a law. Now, he has taken the bill away from Parliament, and this is where they have kept it in teachers' new curriculum. Now, look at their definition of gender. That if they say gender, it can be a male or female or both. They said that notion that we have in our head as Ghanaians, that when they say gender, you think it is male or female. It is not like that. Is this the family values that he promised? You heard him. Is this the family values of Ghanaians? That as a Ghanaian, when they mention gender, you should be doubting whether it is male, female, or both. So this is the new definition of gender under NDC government in their new curriculum. Thanks to Reverend John Ntim for this expose. Yes, he brought it up this morning. And I realize why when you mention his name, the NDC gets angry. You see, he deals with facts. The documents are flowing all over. Now we are waiting for those in the government WhatsApp platform, the NDC communicators, the NDC bloggers. They will also come with an explanation. We are waiting for them, what Samijin Fu wrote for them, to come and defend this. That in Ghana, when they say gender, it doesn't mean male or female, but it can be both. These are the family values Mahama said he has introduced for children to know. Now ask yourself, is he promoting LGBTQ or he's against it? Hey, Mahama.
Ntim Fojo is unhappy about a document that has just popped up by the Ministry of Education. There's a lot of conversation on it on social media. Reverend, what document is it and what are you unhappy about?
Yeah, good evening, Paul. I'm really excited to be here on your show, and a good evening to our cherished viewers. It's really appalling, it's really disappointing that a very dangerous introduction has been smuggled into our schools. The introduction of LGBTQ elements, the education of sexuality related to LGBTQ promotion, and it didn't find expression in no main teaching and learning material than teacher manual. You know, so this teacher manual in physical education and health, the elective one, is the guide, the teaching guide, is the pedagogical guide, is what tells the teacher how and what you must teach your learners and your students. It also provides the framework of fundamental definitions and concepts within the subject and what you have to teach them. And when we do this, we break them in various weeks. So every week, there's what you have to teach them. And rather sadly, the physical education and health elective for senior high schools in my hand, when you turn to page 3, the week 1 schedule, NDC have managed to smuggle in LGBT elements and now telling teachers that, for instance, gender identity, which in our constitution, in our 1992 Republican Constitution, the 4th Republican Constitution, and our laws, fundamental laws, recognize the binary nature of gender, being male and female assigned at birth. Now, here the definition they are asking the teachers to teach them. It refers to a person's deeply felt internal experience of gender, which may or may not correspond with the sex assigned at birth. So right at the beginning, you are confusing these young ones between the ages of 13 to 19, most vulnerable group of people who oftentimes become the victims. The age group studies have indicated become victims of this LGBT madness and confusion. You are further confusing them and promoting to them and letting them understand, because these are things you would want them to write back at you.
When does this document come?
This was produced in 2025 by the Ministry of Education. 2025.
Under the minister?
Under this current government, NDC government. And these were recently distributed to schools. And these teachers have received them. And Paul, week 1 is already gone. So these teachers have already taught these students these strange, bizarre concepts. They have also further told them that sexual rights, a whole lot of definitions, the sexual rights definitions, and they are telling them that you can do anything as you feel, and you will be protected. There's no discrimination. I mean, very bizarre. And we are asking them, where did they get this concept from? Because you cannot be teaching students something that is not approved in the curriculum. And you cannot be smuggling in foreign and alien, diabolic, vile, evil concepts and introduce them to our schools, print them with taxpayers' money, distribute them. One NACA under the Ministry of Education is the body mandated to ensure that strange and unapproved contents don't get into our schools.
And this is a product of NACA?
This is a product of NACA. This is a product of NACA. You can see the front page is a NACA approved. And you see the framework of approval. I have spent 4 years at the Ministry of Education as Deputy Minister. And we understand how this curriculum development and its implementation works. Any concept that has to be taught must first be developed into the curriculum. And when you develop the curriculum, you now have to produce teaching and learning material, teacher guide, teacher manual, and textbooks, supplementary books as well. And any material that must arise from the curriculum must be approved by NACA to ensure that it aligns with the framework provided within the curriculum. So if you come in to issue, we developed up to year 1 manual before we left office. So when NDC came into power, 2025, January, they started the development of the year 2 manual. And sometime around June, July last year, they were able to finish it, and then they printed it. The question is, which minister gave the approval? Who checked it? And which agency, which officer, the Director General of NACA, what job did he do in checking that all the textbooks and all the teacher manuals that have been printed and being authorized and distributed to schools meet the standards? So this is a deliberate attempt by government. LGBT agenda is not a low-level implementation. It's not a low-level agenda. It is a high-level agenda. And I am surprised that at a time when President Trump has even given a different dimension into how countries must even view LGBT matters, and even in his own country clamping down on the LGBT, he has further issued a foreign policy directive to all his envoys, all his ambassadors in various countries, that how they must even relate to other countries where they have been assigned, and that on basis where some countries even try to promote LGBT, it would provide basis for sanctions to be applied by the United States of America. So that should have been good news for President Mahama. This is a season where he should even be bold to preserve our conservative values. This is not a time that he should be introducing LGBT into our textbooks, into our schools. So the dangerous thing is that the parent who is sleeping because he knows that they've sent their wards to SHS, public schools, and they know even a private school textbook must be approved by NACA if it's a GS curriculum, and knows that, well, free SHS, NACA is there, Ministry of Education is there, they have the safeguards, they will ensure only approved content gets there, is sleeping, and their child is consuming this material. Teachers are being directed that this is the definitions that you must teach to promote LGBT, to promote transgender, to promote any absurd feelings that are not authorized by our constitution and recognized by our beliefs. And this dangerous introduction, as we speak, the president has not spoken about it. And recall that for the past 1 year, we introduced human sexual rights and family values bill again to Parliament. When it even passed the gazetting and found expression in the order paper, the next day there was an order from Jubilee House instructing the Speaker and the Majority Leader, Mahama, to remove it. Indeed, they removed it the next day.
Now say that again. The bill was announced.
The bill was listed on the order paper.
To start the process.
To start to be laid for first reading. And consequential referral to the committees to invite the sponsors for consideration. When it appeared, we couldn't take it that day. So we thought that perhaps we have many items on the order paper, and as the practice of the House is, the next day we will have the opportunity to take it. The next day we came, and it did not even find expression. It has been deleted. It had been Nicodemously deleted from the order paper. When we raised questions, they said, Honorable Mahama, the Majority Leader, blamed it on Speaker. The Speaker said he knew nothing about the bill being advertised. So we had to wait for Speaker to come the following week to give his ruling. Speaker gave his ruling that there's nothing wrong with the bill and that it must come back. To date, Anytime we had raised it on the floor of Parliament several times, every week on week, when we meet our business committee, when we meet to approve business statements, we raise it, they keep pushing it away. They are even afraid to list it on the order paper.
Has Sam George been also raising
They are, he has not raised anything. And Paul, what they intend to do is that until they exit IMF, they will not list it. They don't even want us to discuss the bill until they exit IMF.
What does that have a relationship between exiting IMF
because
at the middle of this year?
Because the indications they are giving is that even discussing these matters, because when the president made pronouncement that he was going to introduce his government-sponsored bill related to this matter to cure the mischiefs that stakeholders and overwhelming 93% of Ghanaians want to cure, the kind of the kind of reactions he got. Now, when was the last time you heard the president, state his commitment that he's going to state-sponsor a bill like this? Now he zipped. He never mentioned it again. And even the one that was had been passed in Parliament but faced controversies and had been agreed upon by President Mahama that when he comes to power, when he was in opposition, that the first thing he will do is to sign it into bill. Now he comes to power and then he's even preventing it from being listed on the order paper. That is the deception of NDC.
Comment section. How you Penyah Block Media, Accra.